Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Warcraft Rumble not launching in a landscape mode on BlueStacks 5. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up BlueStacks 5 and select the setting gear icon. Select display option over here and on right side click on the drop down in landscape and select custom and select add resolution. In width, you just need to type 2208. In height, you just need to type 1840. After typing it, select this folder icon to save it. And now select the resolution that we have added. And now select save changes option. Select the restart now option. Now launch Warcraft Rumble from BlueStacks 5 home screen and play the game in portrait mode. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.